Good morning. This is Incident Meteorologist Eric Kurth with your weather update for the day. We had quite a bit of rain last night, and I'm glad to say it was a good steady rain. We had some concerns about thunderstorms, which did occur to the west of the fire overnight, but yeah, none of them actually got into the area, so the rain was like the good steady showery that we like to see. We got amounts around a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch just last night. And adding it up to what we've had over the past few days, those are amounts of 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 2 inches, particularly over some of the higher mountains. So there's a good drenching across the fire. And we're going to see some more rain today. We're not expecting quite as heavy rain, and it's going to be more scattered. But we do have the potential for some isolated thunderstorms, particularly this afternoon and into the early evening. So we still do have a flash flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. I said not as high as concern as we had, but there's still that potential. We could see some ash flowing and some debris flow, which could impact roads and drainages. So that's something we'll be watching closely. And if we do see a storm develop, then there could be a flash flood warning put out. In terms of the weather beyond that, we'll still see some showers tonight, probably pretty light, pretty isolated. And then as we get into tomorrow, we'll see showers picking up in the day, and in the afternoon we have that potential maybe for a few isolated thunderstorms at that point as well. But definitely the storm is trending down. Temperatures are still going to be cool today and tomorrow. Highs only in the 50s and low 60s. Now when we get to Thursday, we're going to see things drying out, and we'll see temperatures going up a little bit into the 60s, and then as we get into later in the week and into the weekend, we're going to see those temperatures starting to trend up higher. We're going to see continued dry weather into the weekend and into next week as well. Temperatures are going to be more in that normal level by Sunday, in the upper 70s to low 80s. We're not expecting a lot of wind. It looks like southwest winds, 12 miles an hour gusting over the ridges, so not really strong winds and not much of a change from what we had before this system. Thank you very much. Have a good day.